Hello Gunpla fans, today it's Speedball Harl, and today for you guys I have for you the review of the Gundam Base Limited Debris Parts Set, or as it once was known, or part of I should say, the P. Bandai Full Armor Gundams Final Battle set. And that's exactly pretty much where this whole setup is, minus the damaged head that comes with that. And yes, if you're wondering, this is an Action Base 1, if you were curious about that and such. And so far, I've had no problems with this stand setup. It's a lot of fun, and as you see in the box here, it is for grades 100 to 144 of pretty much of any kind, pretty much. I've had no problems with. And I've tested out a few kits on here already just to see, and they've worked out pretty well. And now let's get a quick look at the parts so you guys could take a better look at it. As you can see, this one attaches directly to the stand. See? And it just pretty much turns. That's it. But it's a pretty nice piece of detailed debris. Let's see. Now there's, of course, these two smaller pieces that attach to these arm sets. Now, if you're wondering about the arms, like, are they loose? Are they weak? Will they fall? No, because they're on, like, a ratchet setup, so they will stay in position when you change the setting for however angle you want them for. Though I have noticed with this particular arm, maybe it's just my copy, but for some reason, as you can see, this arm pops off a little too easy. Now, of course, that, like I said, could just be me. Then, of course, if you're wondering, the only major thing new to this stand, I should say, is this connecting part right here that connects these arms together. That's pretty much it. But there's a lot you can do with it, because as you can see, there's the connection to where these arms are right now, and there's ball joints at the ends here, where as you can see right here, if I can get it in, there we go, is this special setup here where you can do other angles with the arms and such. And of course, if you're wondering, you do have leftover parts for other such angles, ideas, and so on. And of course, some leftover parts for the joints here as well, like this one here. You get this big piece here, which I never seen really for stands, but I know is for for usage of this. And you do have some leftover you have these two here, which I'm not 100% what they are offhand because I've never used these parts, but I know this one's an adapter of some kind, so you got that. And that's pretty much it there. And of course, the fun fact you get with this kit, or stand, sorry, is you get these really cool Battle Scar water slide decals, as you see here, which are a lot of fun because you, of course, if you have a kit you're just going to put on this one permanently, you got plenty of options to damage it with, and so on. And other than that, for adapter wise, you don't get a lot of adapters with this stand. You do get this, like, a standard one right here that works for pretty much most kits, but for certain kits that use different kind of adapters, you'd have to have that yourself, unfortunately. But if you have leftover ones, like this one, for example, see, simple and such, and like other ones, like for like this one you see here for the RX-78 3.0 and the RG Unicorn here, these adapters you would, like I said, have to have yourself because it doesn't come in with this kit at all. So yeah. But other than that, it works really well. It's hold up a lot of kits I've been testing with it, and of course, you can adjust the angle here, and it's actually a little tight on mine. As you can see, this is its articulation here, but it does lock right here. There's a locking mechanism, so that way you don't have to worry about it falling, anything like that. Same with the arm extension right here. And same with here, there's another one right here that allows you to adjust the height of it. Simple and easy. So other than that, yeah, it's a very cool looking stand, of course. and it is definitely recommended for those who want to have a kit that loves bashing things, smashing things, blowing things up, or stuff for, or it would definitely make a really good space piece diorama. That I could tell you. I've seen a lot of people use it for that and such like that. But here, I'll just show you an example of a kit. I have a couple right here that I will show you now, and I will show you a few more at the end of the video. For right now, let's start with my EG Strike. So you can see. Now let me adjust the camera a little. There you go. And as you can see, it holds pretty well. No problems. Nothing falling. Oops. Well, like I said, the joints to the arms are a little loose on some of them, so there's that to be aware of. As you can see. But other than that, as you can see, the gunpla itself holds on here pretty well with no issues. So if you were wondering about that. And it's funny enough that it doesn't mention EG on it, yet an EG fits on it just fine. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, quickly say thank you all for coming, enjoying your hobbies, and I will say I will be using this stand for upcoming videos and such for, well, pretty much to show off whatever model I am showing off to you guys for fun. So yeah, I thank you all for coming.